Hi, I'm Megan.
Hi, I'm Hunter.
Today we are going to show you how to make a sunny side up egg. So what you're going to do first is you're going to put the pan on medium heat and add a teaspoon of butter. Once the butter is completely melted, you're going to turn it up to high heat and crack an egg into the pan. Then you'll turn it back down to medium heat and let that cook.
Yep. And then as it's cooking, you're going to be looking for the egg white. And the egg white needs to be completely white whenever it's finished. And then you just maybe you want to take the spatula and edge around the edges. Make sure it's not stuck onto the pan. But at that point, you can just slide it onto your plate, put a little salt and pepper on there, sometimes Old Bay, whatever you guys really enjoy, and you're ready to eat. Here we are with our frying pan, and the heat is on medium right now. So we're going to put a little bit of butter on the pan, and then we're going to make sure the butter is around the pan really good before we put our egg on it. And then we're going to move the heat up to high. At this point, we should crack our egg and put the egg onto the pan. Moments later, we need to turn the heat back down to medium. And I'm just going to shake the egg a little bit here, shape the egg white. And we're just going to let this cook on medium until all the egg white is white and cooked, not clear at all. Once you're done with that, you can add a little salt and pepper or whatever spices you desire, which will be ready to eat. Okay, so here we see that the egg white has turned completely white and is no longer clear, and that means that the egg is ready to eat. So we just want to be careful around the edges, and this egg seems to be sliding just fine. So we'll take that egg, take it off, and slide it on to our plate, and it's ready to eat.
So here we have our finished sunny side up egg and it looks nice. We added some pepper and basil to garnish it, and it was very easy to make. Only 2 ingredients, butter and egg, and you can make this anytime. Really easy, really simple, and anyone can do it.
Yep, like she said, it's about 5 minutes in total, and I mean, what's better than some dippy eggs, some toast, and some bacon on a Sunday morning, right? So please like, comment, and subscribe, and I hope that if this was helpful, you let us know about that in the comments.
Thank you, and see you next time.
Thanks.